If you're a gaming enthusiast or someone who loves to customize your tech gear, then the ASUS ROG Azoth 75 wireless DIY custom gaming keyboard is a keyboard that you definitely need to consider. Designed for both performance and aesthetics, this keyboard is packed with features that will take your gaming and typing experience to the next level. Whether you're looking for enhanced performance, more customization options, or just a visually stunning keyboard, the ASUS ROG Azoth is built to impress. Let's start by talking about the design and build quality. The ROG Azoth 75 features a premium, gasket-mount design that not only enhances the feel of the keyboard but also provides better acoustics and a smoother typing experience. This gasket-mount structure creates a soft, cushioned feel when typing, which reduces the noise and improves the overall comfort of your typing experience. The 3-layer dampening system further minimizes any vibrations, making sure every keystroke is quiet and precise. One of the key features of the ROG Azoth 75 is its OLED display. This unique addition to the keyboard lets you add a personal touch to your setup. The OLED display can show a wide range of customizable content, from system stats like your CPU or GPU usage to personalized graphics, logos, or even animations. It's a great way to enhance your gaming experience, allowing you to monitor important system information or simply show off your custom design. Whether you're gaming or just typing, the OLED display gives you that extra level of personalization and immersion. In terms of performance, the ASUS ROG Azoth doesn't disappoint. This keyboard is equipped with Hot-Swappable Pre-lubed ROG NX brown switches. If you're familiar with mechanical keyboards, you know how important switch choice is. The ROG NX brown switches offer the perfect balance between a tactile feel and a relatively quiet typing experience. The keyboard also features keyboard stabilizers that provide an incredibly stable typing experience. These stabilizers ensure that the larger keys, like the spacebar and enter key, feel just as smooth and balanced as the smaller ones. This is especially important for gaming, as you want every key press to be consistent and reliable, no matter where you press on the key. For gamers and typists alike, RGB lighting is a must-have, and the ASUS ROG Azoth 75 doesn't disappoint. The keyboard is equipped with RGB backlighting, allowing you to customize the lighting with millions of colors and effects. You can create your own lighting profiles to suit your mood or match your setup, and the RGB lighting can be synced with other ASUS Aura Sync-enabled devices for a unified, visually stunning experience. Whether you prefer a static color, a wave pattern, or a reactive lighting effect, this keyboard gives you full control to make your gaming setup pop. Another impressive feature of the ROG Azoth 75 is its wireless connectivity. With Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless support, you can enjoy a clutter-free desk while maintaining a fast, responsive connection. You can easily connect it to your PC, laptop, or even mobile device, giving you the flexibility to switch between different devices. The wireless connectivity is perfect for gamers who want to minimize cable clutter and for people who prefer the freedom of a wireless setup. Despite being wireless, the keyboard doesn't sacrifice performance. Ensuring you get the same fast response times and accuracy as a wired keyboard. In terms of build quality, the ASUS ROG Azoth 75 is built to last. The keyboard is constructed with premium materials, giving it a solid and durable feel. The keycaps are made from PBT plastic, which is more durable and resistant to wear compared to the standard ABS plastic found on many other keyboards. When it comes to customization, the ROG Azoth 75 has you covered. The hot-swappable switches and customizable RGB lighting give you endless options to tailor the keyboard to your personal preferences. Whether you're into customizing your switches, your keycaps, or your RGB profiles, this keyboard provides plenty of room for customization to make it uniquely yours. The battery life on this keyboard is impressive as well. With its wireless capabilities, you can expect long-lasting battery life that can last up to 50 hours with the RGB lighting turned on at full brightness. If you reduce the lighting or turn it off, you can extend that battery life even further, making it perfect for long gaming sessions without having to worry about constantly charging it. Finally, the keyboard is easy to set up and use. Whether you're connecting it via Bluetooth or the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, the setup is straightforward, and you can start gaming or typing in no time. The keyboard is also compatible with Windows, macOS, and Android, so it can easily be used across different devices without hassle. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Azoth 75 wireless DIY custom gaming keyboard is a top-of-the-line mechanical keyboard that combines powerful performance with customizable features. Whether you're a professional gamer, a casual user, or someone who enjoys building and customizing their tech, this keyboard offers everything you need. From the OLED display, hot-swappable ROG NX brown switches, and RGB lighting, to the premium build quality and wireless connectivity, the Azoth 75 truly delivers in every aspect. If you're looking for a high-performance gaming keyboard that can be tailored to your exact preferences, the ASUS ROG Azoth 75 is an investment you won't regret. So, for the best price, click the link below and make this amazing keyboard a part of your setup today.